Hi mga langga, ika-3 days na namin ngayon at ngayong araw punta nga kami sa Disneyland at magbe-breakfast nga kami sa McDo. Malapit lang din sa hotel namin, ang Jollibee at McDo, 5 minutes walk lang. Dito na din pa. Ang galing nga kasi kahit may edad na dito sa Hong Kong, nag-work pa din. Sana ganito din sa Pilipinas. Nag-MTR nga kami papunta ng Disneyland. Galing nga kami ng Chimchachu at nag-transfer kami sa Central papunta ng Sunny Bay, MTR. Madali lang sundan ang map nila. Dapat pala 1 week before kumuha ng ticket papuntang Disneyland kasi pag 2 araw lang medyo mahal. Nagdala din pala kami ng food at water. Medyo kinakabahan nga ako kasi sabi not allowed daw yung water at food. Buti sa amin allowed naman, basta siguro kaunti lang ang dalang food at may 2 bottle din kaming dalang water kasi nga mahal ang bilihin sa loob. Medyo mahaba nga ang pila pero okay lang din, mabilis din naman kaya okay lang. Mag-i-enjoy talaga ang mga bata lalo na matatanda. Dapat handa ka din sa mahabang lakaran. Pag may kasama ka nga bata, kailangan magdala ka ng stroller or scooter. Ginabi na nga kami kasi hinintay namin ng fireworks. Kaso pagod na talaga, hindi na kaya. Ang galing nga kasi mga singer nila is Pilipino lang din. Kaka-proud nga. Kaya umuwi na lang kami. Thank you for watching mga langga. See you until next time.
There is another one, so let's leave this temple quickly. This temple is too dangerous. As we live in an ancient temple, when we see there are a lot of hungry crocodiles waiting for us, so please keep your arm or elbow inside the bowl, or they may treat it as dinner and bite on it. To train people how to use this trunk, can you see, isn't it cute? Here we may see this side, there's the brother elephant taking shower. And he is just underwater for too long. Look at those tractors. And there is an elephant trying to get as well. Everybody watch out. Then that must be the bad-tempered elephant father. And it seems that he's coming up again and trying to get as well. Watch out. Okay, don't worry. He's just joking. Everybody watch out. And we may see those people has made rhinos angry at them. So here they are. Okay, but we can't say that now. Because now we're in a bit of hurry, so just ask. Oh, but still there's some area. Hold on. So we're fans of the Forbidden Card, you have gone. Oh no. yeah, we're gonna find what's the name? And I'm gonna find this every down, though. Okay, you can go try, huh? And I'll get that. Talk about what the name is.